Baluarte de San Diego. Alam niyo ba na this one was designed by Jesuit priest and architect Antonio Cedeno and built from 1586 to 1587. The fourth Nuestra Senora de Guia was a circular tower meant to defend Manila's southern bay boundary. In 1593, the upper portion of the tower was demolished after suffering from cracks. This was completed sometime between 1653 to 1666, and now Baluarte de San Diego is shaped like Ace of Spade. Also, it was breached by British forces with cannon fire in 1792, but was restored when Spaniards returned. And the earthquake of 1863 destroyed the structure, leading to its abandonment. And during the American occupation, the circular fort was buried under layers of soil, which eventually saved it from destruction during the Battle of Manila in 1945. Despite the damage sustained by the Baluarte containing it. So, yun yung history niya, guys. A portion of that history. Bububungad sa'yo, may fountain siya. And then, ito yung paakyat. Tapos meron pang mga heavy equipments, machineries, vehicles. Hindi alam. So, ito naman yung paakyat. Try natin umakyat. Anong try? Gagawin talaga natin ka Ed. So, ayan yung Baluarte de San Diego. Or Torre de Nuestra Senora de Guia. So, yun pala yun. Okay, so, tayo guys ha. Alam mo, parang pagod na ako. Lagi na lang ako umaakyat. Pero if you compare this to guys, tingnan nyo, Baluarte de San Diego. Ang ganda niya, di ba? So, if gusto niyo mamasyal at you're on a budget, this is only 75 pesos. Yan. For scenery, why not? Worth it naman siya. Tingnan natin to guys. Ito yung taas. So, alam mo na pag nalaglag ako dito. And so, pag nasa edge ka ng wall, guys, ito yung makita mo dito. This is, I think, facing Calaw. Calaw nga ba o UN? Hindi ko bisado. Ito talagang malawak to eh. Tingnan na. Mukha nga kaya. Ay, fairness. Ay, saan ang babaan? Ah, sarado. Sarado siya guys. Pag bumaba ka. Yung sarado kasi yung pinaka parang sa gitna. So, dito ka dadaan. Ano lang ko yung Plants vs. Zombies. Yung canyon.